Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Soy. Today I'm going to cook chicken cheesesteak from Antonella Italian Kitchen over at Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. This is a copycat, so you need 2 pieces of chicken breast. You strip them, cut them like this, and the other piece I already cut it. So you do the same thing for the other pieces. And you don't even need to marinate them. It's really a quick and easy kind of lunch or dinner. This is for my family's dinner. So you need 1 red bell pepper and 1 green bell pepper. Like right here, I already stripped them. And also you need a cup of onion. It's approximately, if the onion is large, it's about half. And you need, you can use yellow onion and red onion, but in order to copycat her, I use white onion because she, in the video from Best Thing I Ever Eaten, she uses white onion. So some of the chicken, they are pretty big piece, so I cut them half. Some of them, they're okay. So you need bell pepper, 2 green and red bell pepper. You need half of the white onion. You need 6 cloves of garlic and just slice them. A cup of Italian parsley, just coarsely chop them, and salt and pepper. Salt, preferable use kosher salt. Kosher salt cooking tastes better. And you need extra virgin olive oil, and 2 deli baguette, and 6 slices of provolone cheese. And cooking like these kind of meal, you prefer to use good cheese because good material can taste a whole lot different. So you need 2 pans and turn on the high heat. Both of them, you need some extra virgin olive oil. And it's about 3 tablespoons on each. And turn on the exhaust fan. When the oil starts having a smoke point, like they're about to turn smoky, and then you put the chicken in one of the frying pans, and you sprinkle salt and pepper. And in the other one, you put garlic and the green bell pepper and red bell pepper, and turn to slightly medium high heat because it's spread everywhere. And then the chicken is spread them. Some areas don't have salt and pepper. You need to season them because chicken doesn't really come with salt and pepper. And you can be a little bit heavy-handed because they are not marinated. And same way as the vegetable. Vegetable doesn't come with salt and pepper, so you need to season it also with salt and pepper. One of them trying to get out. Turn the chicken around. Rotate them around because one side is cooked and the other side hasn't. If you want a little bit brown color like that, that's a good looking chicken. But you have to be patient and wait until it's brown. have to move the chicken around. Make sure the one has not been cooked. You have to move them to the hot spot. Then it's about 90% done cooking. You put the garlic. If you put the garlic too early, it will be burn the garlic. Burnt garlic does not taste good at all. And here you need to every now and then move the vegetable around so they can cook evenly. And also in the vegetable area, remember put some paprika. That's how Antonella Italian kitchen, they put paprika into the vegetable and they are reddish looking. Medium heat, turn down to medium heat. And the vegetable is about done. You can tell they kind of soft. And the chicken is almost done. Then you put parsley onto the chicken. And move the vegetable around. And you only need one pan at this point. Turn off the one stove. Put all the chicken on top of the pepper and onion mixture. And mix them. Inside the chicken and the bell pepper and onion is ready. Since the chicken and bell pepper is ready, I move them to the other side. After the onion and chicken mixture is cooked, you need to slice the bread open. You can use Italian bread, you can use baguette. I went to the store, they don't have Italian bread. And then if you can hollow the bread, that will be even better. The reason you hollow the bread, so it can contain more chicken and bell pepper mixture. So both sides, you hollow them. See that much room, it can be put chicken mixture. So I'm gonna do the other one. So I hollowed both bread, and now you put the chicken and bell pepper mixture with onion into the bread, into the center. open up a little bit because you need to put cheese on top too. And you do the same thing with the other bread. Fill it up. It's a very pretty dish. Fill it all up. You may have some little bit left, that's okay. You can nibble around. And this one look like not enough vegetable. Then you put 3 pieces of provolone cheese on top. Don't put the paper. Paper doesn't taste good. And I already had the boiler turned on. So I'm going to put it in the boiler and boil them and boil until the cheese melt. So I open the oven. The boiler is already preheated, and then you put it inside to boil until the cheese melt. Whenever you use a boiler, you make sure you watch them 100%, because if you don't, things will start burning. And you can tell the cheese start melting already. It's done. See, look at how quick. A little bit. Turn off the boiler. I want to show you how good these look. Look at that. This is the Copycat of Antonella Italian kitchen in the north side of Philadelphia in Pennsylvania. This is the Copycat. Really, really easy. Thank you. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, please subscribe my channel. And if you like to know what am I cooking periodically, please hit the bell button to notify you, and also give me a thumbs up or let me know what you think, and if you have any question that you don't understand. Thanks for watching.